pizza for this video. We will draw and color Santa Claus.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury?
Santa Claus, also known as Saint Nicholas, Kris Kringle, or simply Santa, is a legendary figure who is said to bring gifts to the homes of well-behaved children on Christmas Eve, December 24th. The modern image of Santa Claus as a jolly man in a red suit with a white beard is derived from a combination of European folklore, particularly the Dutch figure of Sinterklaas, and popular culture, particularly in the United States. Santa Claus is often associated with the North Pole, where he is believed to live with his elves who help him make toys, and his reindeer who pull his sleigh on Christmas Eve as he delivers gifts to children around the world. The tradition of Santa Claus is celebrated in many countries and is a central part of Christmas festivities for many families.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the
Thank you for watching! Please like and subscribe for more videos.